Hey guys, it's Yad here from Daygame.com. Loving the vibes of Trafalgar Square right now. It's beautiful. Just quickly, I'm going to take you through one strong belief that I really have. And that is, I'm not saying the rest of the interaction is, not needed to be like this, but if you can make the first 30 seconds and the last 30 seconds of the interaction your strongest, the middle becomes a bit easy, and subsequently everything else becomes a bit easy. The reason you should open very strongly is obviously to get her wanting to just stay put and listen to you. If you open someone with a surge of energy and power and manliness, what happens is a girl just melts away it melts away a girl's defenses, basically. And it makes the middle bit so much easier, okay? So when, don't be like, hey, excuse me, can I just tell you something? Go up to her, right into her eyeballs, and just say, hey, can I just tell you something really quickly? Urgency, a lot of energy, just fling it at her, and it just makes such a beautiful difference. The middle bit, you can, slack off a little bit. You can, break eye contact, blah, all that malarkey. You could just chill out a little bit, have a nice conversation. And not everything has to be like bam, bam, bam. It's actually better if it's a little bit more relaxed, a little bit easier. But the last 30 seconds, you've got to be precise, okay? This makes a big, big difference, okay? So, for example, if you're just like, hey, yeah, maybe we should go for a coffee, and I don't know, maybe we could do this, maybe we could do, and you're waffling a little bit, you're not making eye contact, you're not being very strong at the close part, and you're kind of like going in for a kiss and not going in for a kiss, you're indecisive about the whole thing. No, bad impression, bad last impression, okay? What you want to do is leave with a strong ass impression, and the way to do that is just decide when you're going to end it. In your head, have that right, I'm going to end it now. Okay, well, listen, it was really cool to meet you. Put in your number, and I'm going to be in touch soon, okay? Shake a hand quickly, get out. No big deal, it's leave her thinking, okay, what happened there? Cool, you just left, you just came and left, and it was beautiful, rather than the wishy-washiness. You want decisiveness, it's attractive, it's manly. Go out there and do it, guys. Hope you have fun.